Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Hey yo, why do I like that dinosaur off of, what was that show? Oh my gosh, I look like that dinosaur right now. The Land Before Time. Yes, I look like the green one. So we're about to get into parting now, so y'all know the dealio. The products first. So I like to use this Mielle strengthening. I mean, it can be any oil for referral, but I like this one because I like the scent of it. It's like rosemary and mint, and it also helps to strengthen and help your hair grow as well. But what I do is I got my little rubber bands. This is like the cap of my edge control. So I put some of my rubber bands in here and I just go like this. You know what I'm saying? Get it up in there, get it up in there. And then we just do a little mixing up, because what this is gonna do is help the rubber bands not last as long. So they'll just pop like naturally. If you don't do this, it could cause breakage, but doing this, I definitely have seen like a difference in the breakage when I do like a rubber band situation. Of course, you gotta have a rat tail comb for parting, and I also have a clip here. And the edge control of choice that I like to use is a 24-hour EBIN edge tamer. Love this stuff. I also have some backup clips right here just in case if I need some more. So I did the back. I'm going to show you guys. So yeah, that's how I did the back. If you want straight parts, like so, I'm gonna show you guys what I do. Once I can take this out, I get my rat tail comb, and this is gonna be one part right here. So I'll probably just come like right here. So you see, like, it's really not straight. You see, like, it's like this right here that could be cleaned up a little bit. This little part right here can be cleaned up a little bit. So what I do is I take some edge control and I put it right here. Boom. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back in with the rat tail comb and clean it up.
You don't know what you do to me, between me and you.
So then I'm gonna make sure I take out my little edges, because I likes to swoopity whoop my edges. Okay, we likes to do a lot with my edges. Yeah. Now I'm gonna take the edge control, take a good little bit, and then go around all four sides. So the top sides right here, the side and the back. And also this will be much easier if you weren't looking into like a mirror like this. Like if you're looking into a bigger mirror, it's going to be way easier, but you know, I have to show you guys, so it just makes it harder for me. Then just do the bottom of it, and then we just gonna leave that out. I just like to smooth it really like up in there, and then try to get it into like the center. It just does something to my soul when I see like a crisp line. Like, oh my gosh. All right, so I'm gonna take my rubber band, my oiled rubber band, and just go around a couple of times for real. I probably go around it like 4 or 5 times. But that's how hairstylists like make our edges so like nice is because I use some type of edge control. So that is like a hairstylist trick that I picked up on. So I'm about to just go ahead and go through the top part, and then if I have any like tips or anything, I'll let you guys know.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly, I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Your love is on.
So I like a middle part. So what I usually do for my middle parts is I'll come here and then I'll go straight back. And usually this gives me a very good reference for where my middle part should be. Get the edge control, put it down here, show. And then I low-key like to go like this too. And then come back through and part it again.
I want to share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
So I'm gonna do this one in 4. It's gonna be 4 sections. So then this is gonna be 4 sections, 2, and then 1. So that's how I'm gonna do mine. You don't have to do it the exact same way as me. Like, you really don't, because everybody's head shape is different. So I just wanted to let you guys know that, because I know a lot of people want to know like how many parts I have. So I'll let you guys know that at the end. I have 33 parts in my head, and this is how it is looking. Alright, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the series, because I know for sure a lot of you wanted to learn how to part your hair and stuff, and you know, just do all of that intricate stuff. So that's why I'm breaking it down into these different parts so that you guys can learn it. I can give you guys like the full details on it. And part 3 will be coming next, so definitely stay tuned. Turn your post notifications on, subscribe to the channel and be part of the gang. Also follow me on Instagram at naturally.sunny so you can see when I want to upload, and you can see my little pics and stuff, my little riddles and stuff over there. I'm also on TikTok too, so you can do that if you want. Oh yeah, also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And comment down below if you have any questions. I will definitely respond and answer your questions, girls. So yeah, I love you guys so freaking much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.